back to my channel. I'm Sonam Prajapati. So friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to install After Effects preset. So friends, please continue watch this video. Now let's start the video. So guys, this is all my plugin. Suppose if I want to install this plugin Blur, this is After Effects plugin, so just copy this preset. So you can see it is looking like this presets, and just copy this preset, and after this click on the C drive and click on the program files, and after this you will see here Adobe, and go to location of Adobe After Effects CSS, click on the support file, and here you will see the option like this preset. So here is all the preset, just paste the preset. So I just click on the continue. So this is now installed, the preset is now installed. Make sure do not use while installing, don't use After Effects. After install you can install. So if you will see in your After Effects preset, so you can find out the options. This is my text animation preset. So if I will search on effect text, so here I can see the blur. So I just search text. So here is now my blur preset is now successfully installed. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below. Okay, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos, because I upload video regular for your help. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon guys with a new video. Until now, bye bye.